Hello and welcome to DataCzar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the website builder buttons at connect.datazar.com. So go to datazar.com, we're going to click the login button here. And we're logged in. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. And to work on your website, to use the website builder buttons, you're going to click on the website button. And these are the buttons I'm going to be showing you today. Quickly, let's look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And we created this blog post here, and it's how to use the website builder buttons. And let's just scroll down. The reasons you want to do this is you want to build up your website, you want to add or edit a page or a post, you want to adjust the look of your website, you want to add social media, adjust your address, phone number, or uncheck, or adjust your newsletter sign-up prompt. Those are the reasons. And then here's some steps, and then we're going to go over these one at a time. Pages. Now, I'll go through this quickly. So what I did was, if you go to our help site, go to help.datazar.com, find this tutorial on website help, the tutorial how to use the website buttons. If you look under pages, you're going to see a link to how to add a page or a post. Under post, add a page or a post. Under theme, change the look of your website, and so forth. So let's go ahead. Again, you can find this at help.datazar.com. Let's tab back over, and let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Pages. And again, we're going to go through this pretty quickly because we have tutorials on all this stuff. The first thing we're going to do is create a blank page. We clicked on Create Blank Page, and we're going to do this Hiking 101. And we'll do Hiking 101 and learn how to stay safe on the trails. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just demonstrating here how to use the editing screen. And if this is our title, we're going to do this under Format. We're going to do format headings. We're going to do heading 1. And then the subtitle, we're going to do format heading 2. And so forth. So let's go ahead and create the page. And then if you want to edit a page, you can go back on Pages, and these are all of our pages. This is the page that we just created. So if we want to edit it, you click on the Edit button. And you can go in and edit. You can do more options. You can do it on top or bottom menu. And then you can add a gallery section here. And again, we have tutorials on all this stuff on our help site. You can choose a featured image here. And then this is the editing screen here. So that's the Pages button. We're going to go ahead and leave because we didn't make any changes. And then we have Posts. So to create a post, it's the same thing. You just click on the Create New. And we're not going to actually create one, but that's what you would do. And the editing tools are pretty much the same as on Pages. So click on Posts again. And if you want to edit one of your posts, for example, El Cajon Mountain, we can edit this post. Click on the Edit icon. And we can edit our El Cajon Mountain post here. So that's how to use the pages, the posts. Templates is really cool because you can add a page or a post by using a template. So for example, if we're going to, how about Meet Our Team? We'll click the drop down. We're going to create a page for Meet Our Team. And then you just enter a title here. And then you scroll down and it's already made for you. These are all images. So what you do is you replace these images. And you can also link them up if you want to. And then you just change the names, just change this and this. You change all these words here. You change your title, and so forth. So there's the template for doing a page, Meet Our Team. Let's go back to templates. We're going to leave because we're not creating it. And the other one that I wanted to show you real quick is how about client testimonials? We could do a post. So if you're going to create a post on client testimonials, you can just click Create Post. And again, put in your title, go down here, adjust the images, switch out the images with the Insert Edit Image icon. and then add your own words. These are all filler words. Again, change the name, change the, what this person does, and so forth. So templates is really cool. We're going to leave again. It's for having a template for a page or a post. The next one is theme, and our current theme is Earth. And let's go ahead and switch it to Construct. Yeah, let's go with Construct. So we just click on Choose Theme. That automatically switches it. Let's tab back over. We're going to refresh the website. So I'm going to do a hard reset and refresh this. And there it is. Now we have a new theme. And it's a Construct. So this is all yellow here. It looks different. And then down at the bottom, Construct has this background image, and you can replace this background image. So that's really cool. So it really changes the look on your website, especially on the blogs. Whoops. Actually, this is the blog from Earth still. Let me refresh this. And you'll see that the blog posts are much different on Construct. So if you want to change the look of your website, click Theme. And one thing, since I showed you the background image, if you scroll all the way down and you want to add a background image, just go to Advanced, and then you just choose your background image. That's the one we chose there. So that's the theme. And then the next button is Settings. And Settings is where you can add a logo. You can check or uncheck include business address, check or uncheck include newsletter sign up. And you can have it powered by DataCzar if you want. You can change your newsletter prompt from sign up to our newsletter to something else. You can adjust your business address, name, your address, your business phone number. You can adjust your social media. And again, if we were to tab back over on the bottom menu, there's the sign up for our newsletter prompt. You can, leave the company address and name and so forth there if you would like. So let's tab back over. And then one other thing, make sure you visit our help site at help.datazar.com. So what you do is you just click on help site, click on the help button on the main menu, and then you can click on Help Center. It takes you to help.datazar.com. You're going to be able to find this tutorial. Use the website builder buttons under website help. We'll add that here. And last week we did use the website builder toolbars. That's a good one. How to start building your website's a really good one. And then, we have other ones like add a page or a post and so forth. So there's a lot of good help on our help center, not just with website help, but with other help topics as well. So now we'll tab back over. We'll go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to use the website builder buttons with DataCzar Connect.